Dudes 46. I'm Ben, that's Christian. Today we're going to do a quick build. We both have identical Lego helicopters, and we're going to build them with these instructions and see who can win and who can finish building the helicopter first.
You know what, Ben? We've never done a quick build in this
We
Lego
haven't.
channel,
No.
have we? This is gonna be our first one. This is gonna be our first one to this channel.
Indeed. So,
let's say when we're ready.
alright, on 3.
2,
1, 2, 3,
go!
Let's see.
Put the frame right there.
Oops.
Put the, come on. Run.
That there. The other side. That there. Here. This here. Put that there, correct? Yes. Put that there. Put that there. Put this here. Put this here. Is it done? Alright. Alright, I'm done.
Oh gosh. Man, I'm still going.
I don't know if it's your piece or not. I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm keeping
Oh,
building.
wait. Oh, I'm not done.
Oh, he's not done. He's not
I
done.
put the propellers on and off. Okay. Now I'm done. Okay.
No, I'm coming in last place.
Yes, most definitely.
Get this little firehouse together. And. Okay, come on. Wow,
Oh, I beat you so
Wow,
bad.
Ben.
I beat you so bad.
I know you beat me so bad. Let's go, come on.
I love how you're talking to yourself. You're like, come on. Myself?
Oh, forgot the piece. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. Steering wheel.
You can take your time now because I'm already done.
No. And
There we go.
finish.
Bingo. Very nice. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.
And we will be having a Lego review next.
Yep.
And stay tuned and subscribe, rate, comment, and subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe so you can
Thanks.
stay tuned to
Yeah,
our videos.
this is Lego Dudes 46. Thanks for watching.